family can be people that care about the same topics, like music or e-mobility. And family can also be colleagues. Since we're sure that there will always be some type of family or another, we developed an electric van with the right space for each one.
Please welcome Dieter Zetsche, Chairman of the Board of Management of Daimler AG and Head of Mercedes-Benz Cars.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Mercedes at the Geneva Motor Show. We are one big family too. As you can see, we'll start with a family car this year. I'm sure you're familiar with these two members. Hey Britta, Iola, thanks, and it's great to have you here today. And you'll get to know these three guys as well a little later on stage. Thank you for now. Our industry is changing, and we do some things different today to underline that. First example, you rarely see a van as first car at a motor show. We brought this all-electric concept EQV. Second, this van is a perfect fit to bring the extended family along. And third, other than in previous years, our long-term neighbors here at the show are also our new partners in the special field. Less than 2 weeks ago, we announced our joint venture with BMW in mobility services. We are merging 14 mobility brands under one umbrella, ranging from car sharing to charging and parking. 60 million active customers around the world will benefit. Together, we have another big advantage. We have the software and the hardware to provide a premium travel experience. Unlike others, we can offer one convenient service out of one hand. And as you might have heard next door, we are building on that. Last Thursday, we announced we will also develop next-generation driver assistance features and future technology for autonomous driving together with BMW. Our common goal is to build a scalable system with the highest safety standards and an outstanding customer experience. Both parties agreed to later open this cooperation to other companies. Does that mean that the competition with our friends in Munich is coming to an end? Hell no. We fully agree on who should be number one in mobility services and autonomous driving. And we agree to disagree about who builds the greatest cars in the world. There are areas where we are stronger together. There are many more areas where competition clearly makes the difference. To underline this long-standing, everlasting rivalry, we are unleashing a coup of exciting new products today. The all-electric concept EQV provides a range of up to 400 kilometers. The battery is built to the vehicle's underbody, so customers can enjoy all of its spacious interiors. These characteristics make the concept EQV a perfect vehicle to accommodate all forms of family and take plenty of gear for an emission-free ride, or be shared by people who aren't yet but might become family.